Good morning, kids. Today's topic is rounding off numbers. Rounding of the numbers to nearest 10. How will you do this? Nearest 10. So here it is an example. Number is 5486. So you have to round off this 8. 8 is on tens place. You are doing nearest 10. You are doing nearest 10. So you will see tens place number. You have to round off this tens place number. On tens place here it is 8. So you have to round off this 8. So you will see its next number. Next number is ones place. Ones place, which number is on ones place? 6. So we will check ones place number. On ones place here it is 6. On ones place here it is 6. 6 is more than 5. If the number is 5 or more than 5, if the number is 5 or more than 5, you will change this number. You will add 1 in this number. If this number is 5 or more than 5, you will add 1 number here. 6 is greater than 5, so you will add 1 in this number. So here it is 8. We will add 1, so it will become 9. And rest of the numbers will become 0. So it will become 0. Clear? So the 5486 round off 5490. It will become 90. It will become 9 and rest of the number will become 0. Clear? Same here, rounding off to the nearest 100. So now you are doing nearest 100. So you will see 100 place number. 100 place number, you have to round off this number. So 100 place there is on 100 place there is 5. So you will check this number. I told you next number you will check. So in 100 you will check tens place number. Here it is on tens place. Here it is 6. Here it is 6. So 6 is also 6 is more than 5, greater than 5. So you will add 1 on this number. So 5 will become 6. If you will add 1 in 5 number, then it will become 6. And rest of the numbers will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. And आगे के ये rest of number will same. Clear? So here also the rest of the numbers will be same. 54 as it is. This will become 0 and it will become 9. Now 64560 64600. Clear? Now round off to the nearest 1000. Here it is a number 4,80,506. So now you are doing 1000, round off 1000. So you will check 1000 place number. So here it is 0 on 1000 place. So you will check next number. Here it is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Clear? I told here 5 or more than 5. Here it is 5. So you will add 1 here. You will add 1 here. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and rest of the number will become 0. It will become 0, it will become 0 and it will become 0. 5 will become 0, 6, 0, 1, 0. Clear? And here these numbers we will write same as it is. So on 0 place we will write 1. So 48048 1 here and rest of the numbers will 0. 480561, round off nearest 1000 will become 481000. Clear? Now next, round off 100. If the number is less than 5, then what will you do? Round off 100. So you will round off this number, 100 place number. Here it is on 100, it is 8 number. So you have to round off 8 number. Then what will you do? We will check this number. Here it is 4, and 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5, smaller than 5. Then what will you do? You will not change this number. If it less than 5, then you will not change this number. You will write this number as it is. You will not add 1. You will write this number as it is. You will write. Here it is 8, so you will write 8 here. And rest of the numbers will become 0. If it is more than 5, then you will add 1 here. If it is less than 5, then you will not change this number. So you will write as 8 as it is. So 8 here, so 8 here. Then rest of the numbers will be 0. And here 5 will be 5. Clear? Then 5840, round off nearest 100. It will become 5840, 5840. Clear? Same here. Same you can do in rounding of 10, and same rounding of 1000. Here it is a number 4,80,261. Now how will you do? 1000 place. You are doing 1000 place. So we will check this number. We will round off this number. So we will check this number, 100 place number. Here it is 2. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So what will you do? You will not change this number. This number you will write same as it is. Clear? So you will not add 1 here. You will write 0 as it is. So 0 here, so 0 here. And rest of the numbers will become 0. This will become 0, this will become 0, and this will become 0. But here, these numbers you will write as it is. Here 8 here, 8 here, 4 here, 4 here. Clear? So 4,80,261, round off nearest 100 will become 4,80,000. So the main thing is, if you will check next number, the main thing is you will check if you want to round off this number, so you will check this number. If it is more than 5 or 5, you will add 1 here, or you will write number as it is. If it is more than 5 or 5, then you will add 1 here, or you will write same number. Clear? Okay.